Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Wood Restoration Kit is probably one of the most essential tools for any homeowner or DIY enthusiast looking to breathe new life into worn-out wooden furniture, decks, or other surfaces, offering a comprehensive solution to tackle scratches, fading, and general wear and tear, ultimately saving you money and the hassle of replacement by providing the means to achieve professional-looking results right in your own home. Number 5. Hardwood Products RF 4016 RF 3016 Restor-A-Finish. Tired of minor scratches and blemishes ruining your wood furniture? Introducing a unique formula designed to penetrate and restore your wood's original beauty. It effortlessly blends out imperfections, bringing life back to your cherished pieces. Restoring your wood doesn't have to be a lengthy process. With a simple wipe-on, wipe-off application, you can revive most finished wood surfaces in just a few minutes. It's the quick and easy solution for tired-looking furniture. Say goodbye to unsightly white heat rings and watermarks. This powerful formula also tackles sun fade, oxidation, smoke damage, and most other blemishes. It effectively removes common signs of wear and tear. Unlike other products, it restores the finish without removing any of the original coating. This means you're enhancing what's already there, preserving the integrity of your wood's finish. Find the perfect match for your wood. It is available in 9 versatile colors, ensuring you can restore almost any wood finish tone. From light maples to deep walnuts, there's a shade for every piece. This particular shade is walnut, presented in a convenient 16-ounce size. It's ready to bring that rich, warm tone back to your furniture. What we like. This product penetrates the finish to restore wood. It's perfect for quickly fixing minor scratches and blemishes. If you're looking to revive tired furniture without a full refinishing job, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This kit is a lifesaver for restoring old furniture. It was easy to use and the results were amazing. My wooden table looks brand new again. Number 4. Weiman Hardwood Floor Cleaner and Polish Combo. Tired of dull, scratched hardwood floors? Our advanced formula brings back the natural shine you love. It's designed to revitalize your floors, making them look like new again. Keep your busy home looking its best with ease. This cleaner is perfect for high-traffic areas, tackling dirt and grime without hassle. Enjoy a spotless home, no matter how much foot traffic it sees. Don't let minor scratches diminish your floor's beauty. Our powerful cleaner works to effectively remove unsightly scratches. Watch as it enhances the natural beauty of your hardwood. Protect your investment with a durable finish. It leaves behind a protective layer that guards against future wear and tear. This ensures your floors stay beautiful for longer. Get the best of both worlds with our cleaner and polish combo. It cleans effectively while also restoring and protecting your hardwood floors. Experience the ultimate solution for beautiful, well-maintained floors. Get more value with our convenient 2-pack. You'll have plenty to keep your entire home's hardwood floors looking their best. Enjoy a brilliant shine throughout your living space. What we like. This combo offers a natural shine and leaves a protective layer on your hardwood floors. It's ideal for high-traffic areas that need both cleaning and restoration. If your floors are dull and prone to wear, this will help maintain their beauty and durability. What people say. After 2 coats of polish, my 90-year-old floors look really good. Fading and scratches less noticeable. Gave the floors a nice, natural-looking shine. The polish is a key differentiator, providing a way to revitalize floors without the need for extensive refinishing. Users often report that it effectively hides minor scratches and scuffs, making floors look significantly better. Aims to leave a natural-looking shine, not an overly glossy or artificial one. Floor actually was shiny again even before the floor polish second step. The polish seemed to rehydrate wood and left it shiny with restoration of deep color. When dried, the shine remained but no stickiness or streaking. Number 3. Coconix Floor and Furniture Repair Kit. Join over 1 million satisfied customers who have trusted our repair kits to bring their beloved items back to life. We're a globally recognized solution for restoring furniture and floors. Everything you need for a simple, stress-free, and lasting repair is included. Our kit provides versatile fillers, color compounds, and kneadable epoxy putty for comprehensive restoration. effortlessly create the perfect color match for any wood type, from oak to mahogany. Our full spectrum of colors and easy mixing guide ensure a seamless blend with your existing surfaces. Our kneadable epoxy putty is easy to mold and apply, creating a super strong, waterproof bond. Enjoy durable fixes that are built to last, just like your favorite pieces. From cracks and scratches to dents and discoloration, this kit handles it all. Restore your items from various types of damage, including burns and faded areas. It works on hardwood floors, coffee tables, cabinets, doors, and more. Whether it's solid wood, veneer, or laminate, our product is designed to cover all your repair needs. Need help with a tricky repair? Our expert team offers free personalized advice to guide you. Tackle any repair with confidence, knowing we've got your back. What we like. This kit provides an all-in-one solution with kneadable putty for easy repairs. It excels at color matching for a seamless finish on various wood types. If you have multiple types of wood damage, from deep gouges to minor scuffs, and want a versatile, user-friendly option, this is the one. What people say. The paint is supplied as packaged in small easy-to-handle tubes with a very fine nozzle that allows you to squeeze out just the amount of paint you need instead of making more of the paint mix you would need. Using the color chart that comes with the kit, I blended a few of the wood colors that I needed to get a close match to the color of the hardwood that I was preparing to fix. The directions for this were super simple and I found color matching to be relatively easy. Number 2. Furniture Clinic Teak Oil. Is your teak furniture looking dull and weathered? Our teak oil brings back its original golden brown glow, enhancing its natural beauty for a lasting finish. Protect your indoor and outdoor wooden items from harsh sun rays. This oil prevents drying, warping, and splitting, keeping your furniture in top condition. Seal unfinished teak and maintain its condition with this wood oil. It creates a water-resistant barrier, replacing essential oils lost to weathering. Crafted from a traditional recipe of high-quality tung and linseed oil, this clear oil dries to a beautiful, natural matte finish. It's safe and non-toxic for your peace of mind. Applying this oil is simple and quick. Just rub it into the wood with a lint-free cloth and wipe off any excess for instant, noticeable results. We're confident you'll love the results. If you have any questions or aren't completely satisfied, our experts are here to help, and we offer a money-back guarantee. What we like. This oil provides excellent protection for outdoor furniture and prevents drying and splitting. It restores a golden brown natural finish to weathered wood. If you have teak or other hardwoods exposed to the elements and want to maintain their look and longevity, this is a great option. What people say. This kit is a lifesaver for restoring old furniture. The wood filler is easy to use and blends perfectly with the existing wood. I was able to repair deep scratches and gouges with this kit, making my table look brand new. Number 1. Therapy Wood Polish Bundle. Introducing the Therapy Wood Polish Bundle. It's designed to bring back the natural luster to your wood furniture, leaving it looking as good as new. This powerful formula not only cleans away dirt and grime but also conditions your wood. Enjoy a beautiful finish with minimal effort. Experience the delightful almond scent as you clean. It leaves your home smelling fresh and inviting after every use. Ideal for all your wood surfaces, including cabinets and tables. It effectively restores their original beauty and protects them from daily wear. Give your wood furniture the natural care it deserves. This polish acts as a conditioner, keeping your wood healthy and vibrant for years to come. With 16 ounces of premium polish, this bundle is your go-to solution for all wood care needs. Achieve professional results right at home. What we like. This polish cleans and conditions furniture, leaving a pleasant almond scent. It acts as a natural conditioner to keep wood looking its best. If you prefer a product that cleans, shines, and nourishes your furniture with a subtle fragrance, this bundle is a good pick. What people say. This cleaner is a total workhorse. It effectively removes grease and dirt without causing any damage to the wood. The result is a beautiful, polished look that's not too shiny. It gives the cabinets a fresh and clean appearance that they'll love. Therapy Wood Polish is amazing. It removes dirt and grime and polishes and makes scratches disappear, all at the same time. My kitchen and bathroom cabinets look like new. This product is easy to use and does a particularly good cleaning job removing smudges and fingerprints. Has a pleasing odor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.